Google Cloud certifications are highly respected in the industry and can help professionals enhance their skills and career prospects. However, with numerous certification programs available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Each certification program is designed to validate skills in specific areas of cloud computing, such as cloud architecture, engineering, and infrastructure. Let's discuss strategies that can help you determine the right Google Cloud certification program for your career goals and level of expertise. First, assess your current aptitude. This self-evaluation involves understanding your technical abilities, work experience, and familiarity with cloud computing concepts. Based on this assessment, you can choose a certification program that is suitable for your current skill level and aligns with your career goals. Then, review job requirements and market trends. Understanding the skills that are in high demand in the job market can help you choose a certification program that aligns with industry needs and increases your employability. Next, consider your career goals. Some certifications may help you specialize in a particular area of cloud computing, while others may be more generalized. Fourth, review certification specifics. Some certification programs may be more challenging and require a more extensive knowledge base and investment in terms of time and money. Finally, seek advice from others. Engaging with online communities, attending industry events, and connecting with other professionals in your field can provide valuable insight into your next steps.